If you're running Facebook ads and wondering why am I not getting leads or why am I not getting sales, I'm gonna show you why are you not, okay? And if you're like wondering like, why am I not getting sales when I'm running sales campaign? The problem is this, okay? The problem is, let's say a Black Friday sale is coming up and you run your sales ad on the day. You're like, I'm not getting any sales. Why is that? Now, I'm gonna tell you why, because you're making a mistake. You don't know. You have to take somebody, a random person, I'm assuming it's a random person, through a journey, okay? They have to go through steps in order to buy from you. Why would they buy from a stranger? First time I'm seeing an ad, I don't know who this guy is, right? So let me show you. So what you need to do is use the ACT formula. ACT. Let's dance. ACT. ACT formula has been created by our company here in Dallas, Texas. You can use it, okay? You can use it. But we created this ACT formula, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works in a nutshell, okay? Keep in mind that there's so much involved, but I'm going to give you an overview. Now, if you go to Facebook ads right now and try to create that ad, you're like, okay, build your business, get more visitors, get more website purchase. You're like, oh, most people make a mistake. They're like, they see this, they're like, oh, let me pick get more website. Who doesn't want to sell? I do too. And you do that and you're like, oh, what's going on? It's not converting. Now keep in mind that conversion, there's other factors as well, your product, your copywriting, but from ads perspective, get more website purchase, that's like wasting money. So what you need to be doing is using the ACT formula. Now here's what you do. You need to you need to install Pixels. So that's the first thing that you want to do. Make sure to install Pixels. Okay, now if you don't know what that is, I'll talk about that on a different video, but make sure to add those audience pixels so you can track people where they are. Now, first of all, you need to run something called awareness ad, meaning you need to let people know, hey, Satish here, I'm here, okay? I'm the guy. You need to just yell it out, and you can do that through video ads or posts or things like articles and things like that, okay? So pretty much you're just letting people know that, hey, you exist, I exist, okay? Now, how do you do that? Now, you can do that by providing value. Remember, you have to give, like Gary Vee says, give, take. I think it's something like that. Now, so you have to actually give people something that's value, right? Now, the aware part A, right? So you can do a video like this. Let me show you an example of what I did so it makes more sense. So I was selling like interview softwares, okay? Now what I did was I ran this. How to negotiate a better salary. This video doesn't sell anything. It just tells people, hey bro, I am here. So this is, you can use that, okay? Or you can use post if you're using Instagram and things like that, okay? Makes sense. So first thing is to let people know that, hey, you exist. And you can do that by, if you go here, you can pretty much use get more people website visit. That works as well. You can also go ahead and use a Instagram boost as well. You can boost a post. All those awareness. I think they changed the interface. They had an aware button here back in the day, but that's okay. So you can use boost a post. Make sure you actually optimize this. Don't just boost a post from your page. You're wasting money. Make sure you optimize it. Make sure you go through the targeting process, okay? So boost a post, boost an Instagram post. You can also do promote your page. So just get yourself out there, okay? Write an article, things like that. Now, next up, what you want to do is you want to do second ad. So you know who went to your site through your pixels, okay, through your targeting, okay, who clicked on this or that. You know people who saw the ad. You'll know that by using the audience through pixels, okay? Now, next up, what you want to do is you want to do another ad for those people who already are aware that you exist, okay? Now, on the second ad, what you need to be doing is doing something called communicate. So ACT. So communicate / engagement. On this one, you're gonna go ahead and ask people for comment. Hey, if you love this video, make sure to comment. That's one. Hey, if you love this, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a free kit that's gonna help you do this or that. So you are creating an engagement, okay? Engagement. So act, communicate, okay? So communicating is pretty much, you wanna have that conversation. Hey, if someone says, I love you, I love this, I want money, have them comment something, okay? It doesn't matter, have them comment something, have them click something, have them give out, have them give you their email or phone number or name, something. There has to be something, some sort of exchange for free, okay? It doesn't cost me to give you, it doesn't cost them to give you their email. It might cost you to build that, whatever you're giving out, but that's a cost of doing business. So that's the second ad now. So you're running the second ad to those people who already know you, okay? Now, after a while, after a couple of days, you're gonna run a third ad. This is called the transaction ad, okay? Act. Say it out loud. Act, okay? So transaction means this is where you ask for the sale. Simple draw and cut. This is where you go ahead and use, you can use this one or this one. I like the get more people to your visit to your site. You can do that, but make sure you are using the pixel audience, okay? You're not just randomly sending it out. I won't talk about how to create ad here, but I will on a different video. But make sure you are targeting people who have interacted with you, okay? Now you're thinking, wait, so do I have to keep it going all? So yes, so let's say I am buyer, I am a potential customer A. I see you, oh cool. Next time, oh cool, let me type my email. Oh, let me buy it right now, let me get my card out. So there's gonna be, it's like a pipeline, okay? It's like a pipeline and everybody is in different steps. Does that make sense? So I might be on step number 2 and so my brother might be on step number 1, but we are on that pipeline. It's like a funnel pretty much, okay? It's a funnel pipeline, so pretty much aware, communicate, and transact, okay? So that's how you should, build out your Facebook ad, and it works every single time. That's why you should be running these ads well before the sale. For example, let's say you have a Christmas sale coming up, right? So you want to go ahead and start offering that like a couple weeks ahead, because so that people are like, oh, I know what he's going to offer, but it's not up for sale yet. On the day of the sale, you're sold out. That's how you go ahead and create that pipeline using ACT method. Let's say it. Act. So that's it. So make sure to implement this on your Facebook advertising. Okay, now if you love this video, make sure to hit that button. The red button doesn't cost you any money, guys. It doesn't cost you any money, and I promise to add value in your life. If not, you can unsubscribe, but let's go ahead and do it right now. Hit that subscribe button, comment below. What else do you want, or what did you like about this video? It always helps me out. Thank you so much and have an amazing day. Thank you.